this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford Bronco Sport in an Outer Banks trim, powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we've got a spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. On either side, you have these tie-down points with little lassos on them, 12-volt power outlet, and on the opposite side you have this button to activate your rear cargo lights that can be articulated to shine where you need them. And then underneath the rugged cargo floor here you have your full-size spare with some extra room for other equipment. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with a partial cloth and leather interior, fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as a 110-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C. And the backs of the seats have zippered pouches and MOLLE rigging that you can hook equipment onto. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your SUV. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks with 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat and mirrors. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip information, tire pressures, your now playing, fuel economy, and then you can also go into further vehicle settings and information. Moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with adaptive steering, distance spacing technology, and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, as well as your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. Bluetooth phone controls, navigation, so you're hopefully not going to get lost. Whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and shifting into reverse. You have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. You also have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls with your hazards and auto start stop shut off. Moving down further, you have this little tray area, and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel. Below that, you have this tray area with a USB, USB-C, 12-volt power outlet, and wireless charging pad, so you can throw your phone on there. Then you've got your main shifter on a dial, very easy, or very convenient. Parking brake, brake hold, 2 cup holders, and your GOAT mode selector, or drive mode selector, for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then you have your center compartment / armrest with plenty of room inside, and another USB and USB-C. Then last but not least, you have a power moonroof so you can land in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.